In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a double crochet stitch. So by this point, if you've watched my other videos, you know how to crochet chain stitch. To do the double crochet, we're again going to insert our hook into the second chain from the hook. So we yarn over, insert into the second chain, 1, 2. We yarn over again, pull the yarn through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. At this point we yarn over, but instead of taking all the loops off of the hook, we take the first 2 loops. So 1, 2, and we leave that 3rd loop. Now that we have 2 loops on our hook, we yarn over again and pull those 2 loops off of the hook. That's the double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over again, pull through. Now we've got these 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops, yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2. It's another double crochet stitch. And as you can probably see, this stitch is taller than the single crochet and also taller than the half double crochet that we've made. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over again, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull 2 loops off, and then yarn over and pull the next set of loops off. And that's that. Yarn over, 2, yarn over, 2. And there are our 4 double crochet stitches.